up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today I will be doing a Gele tutorial. So let's go, guys. So obviously you get your Gele this style. Let's move back a bit. This style you definitely split it into 50-50. Here we go. Oh, and then I'm dividing it, just splitting it where the sewing crosses meets, right? And I am putting it from behind. So from here. Okay. 50. Meet up and tie your knots. Okay. Right. So you tie it, and then you fold this on. You get this one. Moving it from the front, you take it to the back. And we secure it. Anyway, you grab this, roll it, make sure everything is tucked in. There we go, our pin. Side one. Take care of the second side here. And come and open on top of this. And we've got our bow. Is it the brush? The brush flower? With the brush? I'm the best one. No, darling. With the brush flower. No, boys, I do. But the egg at the end of the day, got my mind on my mind. Make me dance like cool. Dirty, you're not on mine. Cause the devil in the rock, here we go. I gotta make my money to do. But I'm in the round, in the round, in the round, all right, the people. I Thank you guys for watching this video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lizzie Atkins, one and only, your favorite, that is Gele, uploads a video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. So now, Minnie is signing out. Mwah!
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star. They won't kill my shine. I wanna know.